This bottom if statement, the significance of it is you build the if statement. Meaning I can make this bottom if statement be any of these if statements. But if I choose one of these if statements, I can't modify it after I choose it. So that's one thing I don't like about it. The second thing is too, and this is the most major reason why I use this bottom if statement. This bottom if statement will give you more executable items. So the list in which this gives you the ability to do will be less than the list of the things that this gives you to do. And hopefully I can show that in an example here. So I'll say if, let's say, register, we'll use a register, and I'll just say register 1, maybe something's there or not, I don't know. So if register 1 is equal to a constant means a number, you then have to signify what that number is. So I'll say 5. Okay. Jump to label. I'll say 10. Okay. And I'm also gonna, again, I like the good programming practice here. Add a command, 1, insert 1. I want gaps between things. I don't want things on top of each other unless they're supposed to be on top of each other. If these are all on top of each other because they're a piece together of code. So also this will make this easier for me to demonstrate. So this makes a decision. This if statement makes a decision. So if register 1 is equal to 5, jump to label 10. So let's just run through the program and just see how it reacts. And by the way, this is like one of the best ways to like teach yourself how to program. Because if you can plug these things in and then you can run through the program and you'll see how it reacts. And then you'll say, well, why did it not do like the thing that I thought it was gonna do? And then from there you can kind of self-teach yourself and explore and then see like, oh, that's why I didn't do the thing, you know. Again, just move through the positions, Now we're gonna go to this if statement. Now I'm about to execute this if statement. It did not jump to label 10.